First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.
Welcome back to the Xplore Mindz podcast. I'm Rohan Aru. For 2 seasons, we have focused on strategy, university fit, finance and career planning. But in season 3, we shift our focus to the new reality of raising children in the 21st century. We must address the social and emotional landscape that is profoundly impacting our students. And there is no better place to start than where our children spend most of their time, the screen. Today, we launch season 3 with the digital divide, tech addiction, focus and the screen time crisis. We are not talking about the less screen time. We are talking about how constant connectivity is fundamentally hijacking our children's ability to focus and manage their emotions. Attention is currency, and right now is being systematically devalued by the constant dopamine hits of notifications. Research shows that the constant switching from homework to a text alert, from a lecture video to a social media scroll, prevents the brain from entering the deep work state necessary for complex problem solving and memory retention. We are building a generation fluent in quick response, but novice in sustained thought. As parents, we need to recognize the difference between mere engagement, scrolling mindlessly, and true focus, deep reading or problem solving. The psychological cost of this fragmented attention is significant, leading directly to lower academic performance and increased frustration. The screen crisis does not end when the lights go out. The blue light suppresses melatonin, delaying sleep. And what happens when a student is perpetually sleep deprived? Their emotional regulation tanks. Small stressors become huge crises. Furthermore, we are seeing a paradox. Constant digital connection is fueling emotional isolation. Genuine human connection, the kind built through shared silence, body language, and focused conversation, is being replaced by curated surface-level digital interactions. This directly harms their mental wellness, which we will explore further in upcoming episodes. We cannot just ban technology, we must teach digital mastery. Here are 2 practical steps for parents. First, institute a notification audit. Most notifications serve the platform, not the user. Work with your child to turn off all non-essential push notifications, especially on social media, to recapture their attention currency. Second, enhance structured disconnects. This is not just screen time limits, it's time dedicated to non-digital activity. A simple rule: no screens in bedrooms after 9 p.m. This is the boundary that protects sleep, study, and the space for genuine family conversation. The digital divide is not between those who have technology and those who don't. It's between those who master technology and those who are mastered by it. Our job as strategic parents is to empower our children to be the master. Thank you for joining me for the premiere of season 3. Next week, we dive into the heart of the matter: the anxiety epidemic, the perfectionism, burnout, and the pressure to perform. I'm Rohan Aru, and I look forward to exploring the minds with you again soon. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.